Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Frey. I have a winter book to share with you that is nonfiction called Patterns in the Snow. Remember, a nonfiction book is a book of information where you can often see photographs of real things. This book is written by J. Clark Sawyer. Patterns in the Snow. What kind of patterns do you think you will see in the snow? We start out with the table of contents, like many nonfiction books will have. And in the table of contents, you can see the order of the topics of the book listed in the order that they appear in the book. And you can read across to find out what page that section of the book starts on. Our first section is called Finding Patterns in the Snow. Patterns can be shapes, colors, or sizes that repeat. You can see patterns in snowy winter scenes. A row of snowmen makes a pattern. A cardinal sitting on a branch does not make a pattern. There is just one bird. A row of penguins, however, makes a pattern. Footprints make an alternating pattern. Left, right. The pattern repeats. A family also makes an alternating pattern. Tall, short, tall, short. This pattern repeats too. Mittens make a pattern. Red, red, green, green, red, red, green, green, red, red, green, green, green. The colors repeat. The number of snowflakes on the mittens makes a pattern as well. 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3. An ice skater keeps warm with a striped sweater. The colored stripes make a pattern. Blue, gray, blue, gray. A dog's scarf has colored stripes too. Red, white, black, white. The pattern goes on. Tracks in the snow swirl around. They make a spiral pattern. Skiers make wavy patterns in the snow. Black circles on a purple coat make a pattern of dots. These are called polka dots. A snow leopard hunts in the snow. Its fur has black spots that are different shapes and sizes. This is an irregular pattern, so it's not consistent. The size of the spots aren't the same throughout, so it's called an irregular pattern. Patterns can be tiny. A snowflake has 6 sides. Each side has a shape that repeats around the snowflake. Every snowflake has a different pattern. Patterns can also be huge. What repeated shape do you see in this ice castle? What shape is this? It's a rectangle. In winter, look around to find patterns in the snow. Explore more. You can do one more thing. Look at the pictures. Each one shows a kind of pattern that can be found in a winter scene. Match each pattern with the correct picture. So there's 4 pictures. There are 4 choices. So A, what's this one? Polka dot, wave, striped, or irregular? How about B? And then C, and then D. make your guesses. So A is the striped pattern, B is polka dot, C is wave pattern, and D is the irregular pattern where the dog has spots but they're not all the same. And then, like we have in the back of nonfiction books, we have here a glossary. This is a really cool glossary because it not only has the word and definition, but it also has a picture to represent what the word means. Glossaries are super helpful to learn more vocabulary as you're reading a nonfiction book. And then in the very back too, we have an index that lists the topics that appear in the book in alphabetical order. This is where you find an index in a nonfiction book in the back of the book. And then in this book too, we can see how we can read more about the topic of patterns, and even a website that you can visit to learn more about patterns in the snow. You can try going to the website, www.bearportpublishing.com/seeing patterns all around to learn more. Fun book about patterns in the snow. Have a great winter day, everybody.